What if I tell you you shouldn't buy SSC online mock because of their outdated question pattern, what you don't need? In this video, I'm going to tell you something different that will amaze you and change your complete SSC exam preparation. Here I'm going to show you how to create a quiz with the help of Gemini AI where you will get latest and updated question pattern. How to do it exactly? Before I'm going to tell you, I just want to say if you're new here on my channel Laboni YT, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share it to others. So without further ado, let's go with me. It's very easy to create, just you have to follow my steps one by one without any gap. Simply open your Chrome browser, tap on the search bar and type there Gemini AI. And then search it. You will get it at first. Simply click on it. You can see it on your screen. And now it will be open and you can see the entire interface here. And type here, make a quiz for SSC English with 25 questions and simply search it. And now Gemini AI will create a quiz for you automatically. It will take some time, so keep patience. Well, now you can see the quiz has been created already by the Gemini. And then you can see all questions one by one by clicking on this next button. Like this. Let me come back to the first question. And from here you can start to give your quiz. Suppose you don't know the question, how to solve it, the first question, and you need some hints. If you look at your phone screen, you will get one option here below, that is show hint. If you click on it, you will get some kind of hints to solve this question. I feel personally this is the best feature in this quiz with the help of Gemini AI to solve it correctly without any problem. There's another two things what I want to say. Suppose I don't know the answer and I have chosen already the wrong one. And when you choose the wrong one, you will get the explanation why you shouldn't this option as your correct one, why you shouldn't choose it. And it also will give you the explanation of your correct option, why you should choose this option of your question, why you should choose it. So this is another best feature. Let me show you this thing. If I choose here any wrong option, you will see I have chosen here wrong option. So if you scroll up, you can see it has given already the analysis of my wrong answer, why I shouldn't choose it, and also it has given the explanation why I should choose this option. So this is another best feature here, why you should practice while you are taking your preparation seriously for your SSC examination. Another thing why I want to mention, because this is the most important, when you choose the correct option here, you will see the proper analysis, why you should choose this option, why you should use it, and what is the meaning of this thing when you choose any correct option. If you see this option here, the question at first, that is appropriate synonym of this given word, abstain. Now let me choose the correct option, abstain. So of course refrain. So here it has given me the analysis why I should choose, what is the meaning and so on. So abstain means to restrain oneself from doing or enjoying something, which is exactly what refrain means. In this way, you can upgrade your preparation style through your complete study with the help of this Gemini AI quiz. Now you can solve all questions one by one and you can upgrade your preparation and your knowledge in SSC English. Now there's another thing. Suppose you have completed the quiz and you have submitted it already. And now you're feeling that you want to increase the number of your question and the difficulty level. How to do it? So there's another process how to do it, and I'm going to show you this thing exactly how you will do it. So guys, after submitting your quiz, you will get this kind of interface, and when you scroll up, you will get one option below, that is more question, and when you will press on this option, you will get this kind of setup where you can modify the number of your question and also you can increase the difficulty level. Suppose I want to increase the number up to 30. So you have to mention here 30. And I want to increase the level of difficulty up to harder. So let me choose it. And now I have to press add questions. And after that you can see it has been changed already. Now you can see the number of questions is increasing automatically because you have chosen it, you have modified, and the level of your question has been changed. It has become quite difficult from the previous one. You can see it here. You can see each question. So in this way, you can create your quiz with latest and updated question pattern with the help of Gemini AI, and that will give you more chances to crack this SSC examination and also will help you to increase your knowledge in English. So that is the thing what I want to tell you, how to enhance and increase your knowledge in SSC field. That will give you more chances to crack this examination, and that's all about it. Still, if you have any confusion regarding this matter, you can leave your comment in the comment box below. I shall let you know, analyze your all difficulties and queries here one by one. So that's all for today. Before I'm gonna end this video, I just want to say, if you're new here on my channel, Labonivity, subscribe my channel, share it, and press the bell icon, hit the like button, and that's all about it. So thank you very much.